What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to change your email address in Coinbase. So a few simple steps. Just log into your account and after that you'll arrive at this page. As you can see, we have a couple of options on the right top, and one of them is this option with a couple of dots in it. We will click on that, and as you can see, we have now more options to click on. For the next step, we need to go to our accounts, and then we will load into this page. As you can see, I have blurred my information because of privacy reasons. But yeah, what you can do is basically go to your email address, which is this line, and then you can edit it. As you can see, you have to use your 6-digit authenticator app code. For now, I won't fill it in, but this is the way how you can change your email address on Coinbase. Hopefully it was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!